What's up YouTube, it's your guy Tyler here with a clipper unboxing for the Babyliss FX870G. So I'm super excited about this. It's a sexy looking clipper, and so let's get into this unboxing. So we have the power cord, the attachment combs, clipper oil and clipper brush, as well as a clipper booklet with all the information on the clipper. One thing I'm really excited about is that it comes with all the attachment combs. You don't have to go and buy another set. It has the 0.5 as well as the 1.5. So you're all good to go. Let's talk about this clipper. So this clipper comes with a nickel titanium coated stainless steel blade, as well as a taper control. You can use it while it's plugged in or cordless for a 2-hour runtime. It blinks while it's charging. It also blinks when there's 10 minutes left. It's a solid blue color when it's fully charged. The sound is pretty quiet, and it's a very light clipper. It has a little bit more weight in the front, so it's top heavy, but overall, very light. So that was my unboxing video for the FX870G. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe and tune in for new videos. Thanks for watching, guys.